thank you guys for coming out today. Today is about, just appreciating you guys, getting to spend a little time and go through the mill tour, feed you lunch, just as a small token to say thank you for what you guys do. Because without all the vendors here, we wouldn't be here. So we just wanted to show a small token of our appreciation for you guys.
I was in Oakdale in 2009 and 10 in a tough recession where a lot of mills were taking downtime. The Martins will not do that here, and they're committed. They're committed to their people, they're committed to their mills, they're committed to their customers. We're gonna run through it, and the philosophy is run harder. The future's bright here. We have a lot to look forward to, and we appreciate everything y'all do for us.
We're thankful for you, and we're thankful for your families, because most of you, the business you're in is a family business, and we consider ourselves a family here at RoyOMartin, and y'all are an extension of that. So thank you, and we appreciate you for being here today.